Hi there, my name is Esty Pryor, and I am here today because I believe that every child deserves to feel safe, not just in school, not just in public, but in their homes. I'm in the very beginning stages right now, but I would love to introduce a bill that would prevent registered and convicted child abusers from living in homes with non biological children. And also taking a step further and holding the adults or the head of household, whoever allows this behavior to happen, criminally liable in the form of either child endangerment or just a general liability. You are very liable for what's to come. Now, before I begin, I kind of have a personal question to ask. What would you do if you found out that a friend or a family member had a convicted child abuser living in their home with their children? Because as of now, there is not a darn thing you can do about it. This is perfectly legal. And offenders love this. They love it. You may be thinking, but I thought I was safe from child molesters and child abusers. You might be thinking I thought that they had to, register and they couldn't be near parks or schools or daycares. They are, that's completely true, but they could still live and hide inside these homes with as many non-biological children as they please. Like I said, this is completely a loophole that they have found. It's so dangerous to children in the home. It's dangerous to the communities that don't know, and it's very concerning. And legally, too, I want to add this in. A lot of these offenders will register their address on these registries. The law knows it. Like, they know that these offenders live with kids. That's terrifying. And from a parent's perspective, I feel like you guys and now me, we go these great lengths to protect our kids, locking the doors, choosing safe neighborhoods, looking at the registries, trusting the legal system. But inviting a convicted child abuser into your home, that's not just a risk. It's a fact that this is an open invitation for grooming and reoffending. Now, from a taxpayer standpoint, your dollars already go to rehabilitation. There's reentry programs, so many of them for sex offenders, and there's of course a public safety prevention. Your taxpayers' dollars also go to legal fees, foster care costs, incarceration expenses, and obviously the lifelong impact on a survivor. I really think that trying to prevent this harm through my bill can help prevent another child being abused, and I think it saves money and it will save people. And to the general public, this is probably the question that I have to ask you. If we wouldn't let a predator live next to a playground, why are we letting them share a bathroom, a bedroom, and living under a roof with non-related children? That just seems like duping the system to me. And my final thoughts that I'll leave you with is no child should share a roof with someone who sees them as a target. And kids deserve safe homes, not second chances for child molesters and child abusers.